bacon, water, grains, malt extract, mother phone, bottle caps, pops. I'm ready. Oh yeah, here's one I made a while ago. I'm gonna just cut these labels off so I know which beers I all made and stuff. You know, it's a bunch. So, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Drinking my Miller High Life. The bottle with that, whoever that girl is on it. Saw that in the Wisconsin. Thought it was pretty cool. I wonder if I was to. There'll be a way to prop a phone.